It pierced my heart and became a deep resonance, high-reaching words that no one could ever touch. A time when language was nothing but a cold, high wall. I stayed awake, keeping the lamp burning all alone, translating your silent pain into sentences